Hello friends! Maaga pa pala kami umalis today kasi pupunta kami ng Whistler Village. It's a 2-hour drive actually, but our first stop was Shannon Falls. Relax na lang si James kasi yung anak na namin nagda-drive. Before the children were able to drive, it is him of course. So ngayon pa relax na lang siya. To Jason and his wife, yung kasama namin, si Lois. So, maaga pa kami. I think we left the house at 7:30. And then we pick up some breakfast when Jason was refilling some gas. So, dito na pala kami, dito na kami sa Shannon Falls. Tingnan niyo. Welcome to Shannon Falls. Hindi pa masyado madami yung tao kasi it was so early. I think we arrived there before 9 o'clock. Ang dami nagpa-picture doon sa signage na welcome. Siyempre, mga Filipino yon. Hindi na kami makasingit kasi nandoon na sila. Okay lang din. This is my second time actually to come here. But that was long time ago. Maybe that was in 2015 or 2016 if I remember right. That time kasama namin si Tita Helen and Toto Job. 5 kami. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda-ganda. That water came from that falls. James' smiling face, syempre. And you feel the breeze. It's so nice, so cool. Malamig pa actually. That's why naka-bonnet pa ako and naka-jacket talaga. Kasi ayoko malamigan masyado. So, yun. At may 2 tao doon sa mountain. Nakakatakot. That's why tinuturo ni James. Yes. Siyempre, pa-picture kami dyan. Ang sarap. Ang dami ng tao, pero we waited. Not really many kasi maaga pa. At least not much. Then after that, balik na kami. Yung gift shop, when we came, it was still closed, but now it's already open. Ang dami pala nagpipiknik dyan, no? Yeah, that's the water from the falls above. Ang sarap-sarap pakinggan ng sound of the water. Kaya lang, I have to voice over para makita nyo kung mga ano yung pinupuntahan namin, right? So, nag-drive na pala kami. It will take us another 40 minutes to reach the Whistler Olympic Village. I call it Whistler Olympic Village kasi in 2010, it was the venue for the 2010 Winter Olympic. So, yun na. Ay, bumalik pala kami dito. Thank you.